This is something I've never seen, actually. Let me just kind of like go over some of the features of the box here. Number one, it's 1,800 lumina. It's by the company Ligency, maybe, smart socket. And you have an adjustment, a temperature adjustment, which temperature I mean by lighting adjustment, 2700K to 6500K with 16 million colors. And just kind of like looking over, it's multicolor, it's dimming, it's got a timer on it, a remote, voice control, app control, fan speed, no wiring. You just screw this into any socket, reverse rotation on it. You can see how it works here. This is something that I highly recommend for anyone that just wants to add a ceiling fan but doesn't want to do all the wiring. You got an app. It's just plug and play, and then you got to connect, and it's got a Google Store, App Store. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open it up. You see it comes just like this. The fan blades are not installed. So you're going to have to install the fan blades. Now you can hardwire it. You see that? So you can hardwire it if you want to, but that's what's a cool feature about this. There's an extension right here. Look at that thing. I don't want to say what that really looks like, but use your imagination. Look at that extension, everybody. This is how easy this fan works. Get our fan blades, 5 fan blades, a remote. Does the remote come with batteries? I think you're probably going to have to add your own batteries. There are no batteries in here. It looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries. Let me just kind of like go over the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's 2 ways of doing it. You can remove that, and then you can add the socket, and you could add all of this, but you don't need to add that connector wiring, fan wiring diagram. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to do it. You can just screw it directly into a socket. So let me go ahead, put the blades on there, get this thing set up, and let me show you how it works. Okay, so what I see is you just get the blades of the fan. You see how there's 3 little spots. There's 3 little things right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you just slide them on there and they lock into place. That was super simple. That screws on there. You can screw that on like that, and check it out. There it is. Here's the complete fan. The lights right there, the fan, the remote. I went ahead and got a couple of batteries, and you can see right here I used the Taken, AAA batteries. These are rechargeable. I actually recommend those a lot because those are very handy. Some of the features on here, you got off, you got the on switch and the different colors and all that. So let me show you how this thing works. Okay, everybody, I'm here in my kind of front area, and what I've always wanted to do is put a little fan to kind of, that way I can open the door and get a little more ventilation in here. That is turned on, and I'm going to go ahead and install the light now. And to install it, all you're going to do, no tools required, unscrew that. That is an LED bulb. And then screw this in. And it doesn't look like I need to even take that case off. And there we go. Check that out. We are set up. If I want to go to the warm light, there's that. If I just want to go kind of like down on the light, that's the one I kind of like right there. But here's the feature I want to know. How's that fan work? Oh, wow, look at that. That worked great. That's actually working really well. I think it's in reverse. Let me turn it the other way. Whoa, that's so much brighter. So that turns it up right there. Looks like you can get to 1 hour, 2 hour mark. Let me turn the light down so you can kind of see it a little better. So you can see the fan. And then check out the different lighting on this thing. Let's turn that off. There's so much stuff. That's the green light right there. White light, green light. That's off. There's the blue, the red, the yellow, the white light. Oh, this is awesome. You can go through all of these. And this is also available on an app. So there's an app that you set up with Bluetooth on this, and that seems to work good. So there's some of the remote features. Let me show you the app. So I went ahead and downloaded the app. And one thing you're going to have to note, it goes on 2.4 gigahertz only, not 5. And that's why I kind of struggled a little bit to get it set up. I didn't read the instructions all the way. But let me show you how well this app works. So right here, I'll kind of like lean over here. We can go off and on. I can move the colors around. Now this is cool. See if I want to change these colors. Look how I can change the colors of this thing. If I want to go a little lighter, I can go a little lighter. If I want to change it to that color, I can. Scroll up. Let's go to the fan. If I want to do fan, what's that? Sleep mode, nature, forward and reverse, speed. Let's go ahead and turn it as much as it'll go right there. Countdown, I can go up to 8 hours. There is so many good features of this thing. I am so impressed with this little light. There's a schedule if I want to schedule some things. Do not disturb, default light, wake up. Wow, I am very impressed with this light, this setup. If you look at the app, I can turn the app and then add devices, and the app is called the Smart Home app. You can see right here, I already had this app actually. The scene, if I want to go scene, look how I can do casual, fun. There it is. Look how it just kind of like goes through all these. This would be great for like a kid's room. Oh, there's a music. The light moves according to the phone's music. Start that. That is very interesting. Look at that, everybody. So I've got music playing through some headphones right there. This is something I recommend for anyone that's got like a room that they want to put a fan in, that they've never wanted to wire things up. You can just screw this right into a light socket and be good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the smart fan with app and remote. See y'all in the next video.